may book. Ayan. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 basic Chinese chicken soup. So, ito yung mga basic ingredients ng chicken soup. So, number 1, dried wild yam, red date, goji berry, salt, and ginger. So, number 2, celery, carrot, white onion, yung yellow onion, ganun, black pepper, light soya, and salt. Number 3, ginger, white part of onion, spring onion, Shaoxing wine, salt. Number 4, black eyed peas, raw red peanut, red dates, Chinese yam, chicken powder, salt. Number 5, wood ear. Ito wood ear, kailangan mo munang ibabad sa tubig para lumaki siya. Raw peanut, same as peanut, red date, ginger, Shaoxing wine. So, dito tayo sa number 6. Dried shiitake, ginger, Shaoxing wine, spring onion, light soya, and salt. Number 7, carrot, russet potato, tomato, white onion, and salt. Number 8, carrot, mushroom, dried mushroom. Kailangan itong isok para mag-soft. Ginger, goji berry. Number 9, papaya, lemongrass, ginger, chili leaf, onion, salt, pepper, and light soya sauce. Ito yung parang tinola sa Pilipinas. Chicken tinola. Number 10, Chinese yam, dried longan, goji berry, abalone. Kailangan mo itong isok. And coconut juice or water.